If you ever needed to remove photo background on iPhone or iPad, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can remove photo background from your iPhone photos. In order to remove background from your photos on iPhone or iPad, you can use a magic eraser tool inside Photos, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. In order to do that, let's open Photos app first and select the photo from which you want to remove background. Let's open this one. And in order to remove background from this photo, we have to just tap on eye icon here for information, or we can also slide it up and this will show you the information regarding this photo. And when you will do that, you'll also notice that the iOS will highlight the foreground like this while differentiating it with the background. Next, in order to remove the background, what you have to do is you have to just long press on it and select the foreground like this. And then you have to just swipe up to close the Photos app. And next, we are going to open Notes app. And after opening the notes, we will open a new note where we will simply drag and drop it like this, and that will simply add the photo without background in the Notes app. Next, we have to just long press on it and we will get these options, and among these options we have to tap on Share, and then we can simply tap on the option that says Save Image, and that will simply save this image inside your Photos camera roll. Now let's open camera roll, and here we will see that the photo without any background has been saved to your iPhone photos. So that is how you can remove photo background on your iPhone or iPad, and this is the quickest way to remove background from any photo on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to change the background of your photo, make sure you tap on this video to watch how you can do that. Thanks for watching.